You guys, I'm so excited. Today I get to go see my longtime friend, Al, also known as Rolling Still Tent. I met him my first year on the road in 2015, and wait till you see what's coming up. On my way driving to my dear friend Al's house, I was surprised to see so many of the mountains being taken down by mining. I know that it is important to our industry, and before you is the Santa Rita Copper Mine, one of the oldest mines in North America. So I made it.
With a little help.
With a little help. He had to meet me out at the highway and then ride back in with me. Thank you for doing that. But I have known Al since 2015, and there will be more information. He has a truck and a slide-in camper for sale, and I will show that to you guys in a little bit. But right now, I'm going to go visit with my friend. Al currently lives on our dear friend Lou's property, getting it ready for sale. It is a beautiful place, and we lost Lou in January due to 2 years of fighting cancer and heart problems. Lou was a boat builder by trade, and Al inherited his truck and slide-in camper that Lou built. Lou did nothing halfway, and as you can tell, the 2000 Ford F-150 extended cab is impeccable on the inside, and it has a 7-foot bed with 190,000 miles. The slide-in camper is amazing. It's good to go and includes everything you see. It has a roof vent and fan, and there is also a 100-watt mounted solar panel, a 100 amp-hour AGM battery, a 400-watt inverter, and a 20-quart Apple-Cool fridge. There's a Wave 3 heater and a 1-gallon onboard propane tank. If you are interested in this wonderful setup, Al is asking $5,500 total, and you can reach my dear friend Al at rollingstilltent@gmail.com. Thank you everyone for being on this journey with me, and please like and subscribe and share.